Okay, this is part 2 of the repair of the Laney Klipp. We'll now flip the chassis upside down. All the valves have been removed, and the first thing we do before anything is we have a very good close visual inspection, which I've done before all this work I've completed. The initial inspection showed nothing visually that you could say was the cause of the problem. So the next port of call was the old suspect. Bearing in mind this amp is 45 to 50 years old and had original components in, was the filter capacitors, the electrolytic capacitors. There's quite a few in here. We're starting here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and there's a couple of small ones somewhere. Where are they? Oh, yeah, 11, 13 and 14 down there. Surprisingly, most of them were still working. I had a little bit of upward drift, which you expect anyway. But when I got to this last large one, this was a 32 UF 450 volt. Well, the original one was 400 volts, but 32 UF capped this one. Once I disconnected it and tested it with a meter, it was no longer 32 UF, it was 33 picofarads. So we can say that was almost dead short on that one. So I replaced all those, as you can see. And then I thought I'd just double check all the low value and the nanofarad caps, all these. And apart from a little bit of drift, they're all okay, apart from one which had more than doubled its value. So in the end I decided to replace all of them. So all these yellow caps you can see are new, including this one here. Down here on these power valves I replaced the grid and screen resistors and uprated them. The original ones are 3 watt here, and then they're 5 watt. These were 1 watt, they're now 2 watts. You get a lot of heat generated in this area, so it's always a wise move to change them, even if they're still working, so to say. Bearing in mind again the age, 45-50 years is a wise move anyway. I think that was about everything else. I reflowed a few things, but nothing else major. But tested all the resistors. All the resistors seemed okay. No problem there. So the next step will be to apply, slowly raise up to 240 volts with a variac without any valves in, and see if everything is stable and okay. If that's okay, we'll be off, drain the caps, and then we'll flip it over and we'll put the valves in, hook up to a cabinet, slowly raise voltage again, and see if we have actually some sound reproduction happening or not. Hopefully we will, and we'll see in part 3. Bye bye.